You've probably seen hundreds of videos claiming you can get free stuff from Temu, but when you try it yourself, it never works, right? Either the app crashes or the link says expired. Well, in 2025, Temu quietly launched a new feature that actually works, and it doesn't require referrals, fake tasks, or shady apps. This one's 100% verified, and I'll walk you through exactly how to get your first free item today. Temu calls it the Play to Unlock Free Gift event. Think of it like a mini game inside the app. Each tap, scroll, and interaction gets you closer to unlocking your reward. Here's how you do it. Step 1, click the first link in the description. That link takes you straight to Temu's official 2025 free gift page. Step 2, tap Start. You'll see a screen asking you to choose your reward path. Pick whatever interests you most: electronics, home decor, beauty, etc. Step 3, now you'll see a progress bar. That bar is everything. Each time you browse deals, favorite an item, or share a product, the bar fills up. Once it hits 100%, your item is officially unlocked. I tested this myself last week using a brand new account. Within just 10 minutes, I unlocked a portable LED lamp worth $35. No card, no purchase, no hidden shipping charge. Temu shipped it in 5 days, free of cost. And I'm not alone. People on TikTok are flooding comment sections showing their Temu packages, from wireless earbuds to mini blenders and smartwatches, all unlocked the same way. Now, here's something Temu doesn't make clear. These free gift events reset constantly. Every few days, Temu launches a new version, which means old links and codes stop working. So if you're watching this video even a week later, don't waste time trying random links. Go straight to the updated link in the description or pinned comment. I refresh it every few days with the latest working free gift code for 2025. Another tip, use a new account or different email. Temu often prioritizes new users for instant unlocks. That's why you'll see some people get gifts in 10 minutes while others wait days. So yes, Temu free gifts are real in 2025. You just need the right entry link, the right code, and about 10 minutes of your time. Hit the link below, unlock your free item, and then comment what you got. I'll reply with a bonus 2025 coupon code that can stack with your next order. Because why not get a little extra for free? Now go claim your gift before Temu resets it again.